Hey, what's up, CompSci community? It's day number 5 in my 100 Days of Code challenge. And honestly, today I'm feeling a little drained. It's actually pretty late. Normally I make these videos and have them out by about noon, and it's like 7 p.m. right now. So I actually had a lot of homework to do today, and I did that before I started coding. So by the time I got to it, it was just kind of late in the day, and then I ended up doing quite a bit of coding today, so it was just a really long day. And a lot of the homework that I had to do earlier today was in Android Studio doing some app development. So I don't know if you guys ever coded on Android Studio, but it takes 30 minutes like just to load the program. So it's kind of time consuming, but I wrapped that up, did all my other homework, and then I actually finished my portfolio website. So I'm really excited about that. And when I say that I'm finished, I mean that I'm done with the tutorial and I have it launched. So you guys can actually go and visit it. It's timstatler.com. And I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out there. But there's still a lot that I want to do to it to make it where I feel comfortable presenting it. For one, there's only one project in the project section. The other 3 are just placeholders for the first one. You'll see it when you go and check it out. So one of the things that I did today to finish up the project was I added media queries, which makes it more mobile friendly. But the way the styling turned out, it really doesn't look great, at least on my phone. So I want to go back through eventually and just kind of fine tune it and just make it look really good. But it looks good for now. It definitely looks good enough. It was a great learning experience. So my next steps after this are, number 1, I realize that there's still so much that I need to learn. So I'm going to go on Team Treehouse, and I'm really going to make that a priority for the next week or so before I jump on any other projects, so I can further solidify my front-end development knowledge. And while I'm grinding it out for the next couple weeks on Team Treehouse, I'm also going to be designing the framework for my next project, which is going to be a website for my cousin's salon. So he owns his own salon. I told him I would make him a website as just a way to kind of help his business out a little bit and as a way to just give myself another avenue to learn from. So that's all for today. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm definitely learning so much. I can't believe how much I've learned in just these past 5 days, and I'm definitely looking forward to the next 95. So, all right, take care, guys.